Do you know the English words for a sandwich? Let's check. Let's make a simple sandwich together. This is bread. This is bread. I cut the bread. I cut the bread. I take 2 slices of bread. I take 2 slices of bread. This is butter. This is butter. I spread some butter. I spread some butter. I spread it on the bread. I spread it on the bread. This is a tomato. This is a tomato. I cut the tomato. I cut the tomato. I cut it into thin slices. I cut it into thin slices. This is a cucumber. This is a cucumber. I slice the cucumber. I slice the cucumber. This is lettuce. This is lettuce. I wash the lettuce. I wash the lettuce. I put the lettuce on the bread. I put the lettuce on the bread. I add the tomato slices. I add the tomato slices. I add the cucumber slices. I add the cucumber slices. This is cheese. This is cheese. I layer a slice of cheese. I layer a slice of cheese. This is ham. This is ham. I add some ham. I add some ham. Now let's make my special sauce. Now let's make my special sauce. This is ketchup. This is ketchup. This is mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise. I mix mayonnaise and ketchup together. I mix mayonnaise and ketchup together. I stir it well. It turns pink. I stir it well. It turns pink. I pour the special sauce on top. I pour the special sauce on top. I close the sandwich. I close the sandwich. I press it gently. I press it gently. I cut the sandwich. I cut the sandwich. I cut it in half. I cut it in half. It looks so fresh. It looks so fresh. I take a bite. I take a bite. Wow, it's so crunchy and delicious. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. I love my simple sandwich. I love my simple sandwich. Did you notice? Some words in our sandwich don't need an S, even with some. Can you name them? Comment below. Goodbye.